Hi, my name's Beth. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. I want to tell you a little bit about me. I'm a mother of nine busy children, 8 of which are at home. One's already graduated. I'm a preschool teacher and owner, and I'm also a funtrepreneur. I'm always looking for my next project. One thing I wanted to share with you today is a question I get frequently asked by my parents at the school and friends. How do I pack my child's lunch for back to school? I love the bento boxes, and I'm all about healthy choices and setting a good example for the future. One thing I like to do is make sure that lunch boxes have fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Meal prep is key, as well as planning a menu, because it saves you a lot of time. But let me show you an example. This is a build your own pizza box I made for my kids. They love that they get the choice to make their own pizza, and it's a healthy and nutritious lunch. My first bento box features a Capri Sun flavored water, a Nature's Bakery fig bar in raspberry, the Lesser Evil cheese puffs, carrots, cucumbers, red seedless grapes, and a ham and cheese and a croissant. Plain and simple. My next bento is a build your own pizza. Here we have pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, 2 naan breads. We also have a s'mores bar for snacking, carrots and celery, and some apples. Our next bento is a turkey and cheese with lettuce on whole grain bread, strawberries, snap peas, and a yogurt. Okay, so my next bento, strawberries and kiwi, pretzels, sun butter and banana sushi. Okay, my next bento, ham roll-up, cube cheese. We have Gouda and cheddar. We have red seedless grapes, cucumbers, apple bits, a Blake's Chewy granola bar, and a dairy-free yogurt. My next bento is for one of my older kids. We have some pesto, tomato, corn, golden raisins and almonds. I also put in a chewy granola bar and some crunchy apple straws. One nice feature is that when teachers are prepping food at school, if you have a younger child, you can take the compartments out and dump them onto a plate or bowl, heat them up, and then replace them in the child's lunchbox. It's nice when you're working in a childcare to have food that takes less than 20 seconds to heat. Okay, in this bento, we have an Annie's gluten-free aged cheddar macaroni, a mandarin orange, a strawberry low-fat milk by Horizon, a chocolate zucchini muffin, Vermont Village applesauce. I always put a spoon in there so that we can wash it at home. There's some chopped broccoli, florets. And I really do like these re-zip bags that you can get from Target or Walmart because you can put anything in them, whether it's pretzels or veggie straws or potato chips, orange slices. They're very useful. You can even freeze them. So this is another useful tip. Our next bento is a breakfast for lunch. We have some pancake bites, some low-fat cheese, blueberries, mandarin oranges, a little bit of syrup to dip, and some carrots. Hopefully all my tips were helpful today, and it helps ease the transition back to school while providing a healthy lunch for your kids. So all you have left to do is close up your lunchbox, slide it into your lunch bag, zipper it up, and off they go.